penalty or walk. That's all. Over now. Number 13. 3 seconds. It's another dribbling violation committed by Bautista. The score remains unchanged. The global 16 or 8-point advantage being enjoyed by the host team. Number 15 of the Poland. Finishing what the kalaban in my pass. Nag-regain. Setting on the line.
Get one!
Remaining time 1 minute 8 seconds.
Sigison!
Number 10, nagpapadali. Coast to coast jump is not good. Rebound. Hindi naman number 11. Wala. 15 seconds. Malumay na magkahap. Kitang kuha. Ibirway to the press. Short. Loose ball. Goes outside in favor of the Stallions. 45 seconds to play. Substitution. Number 8. Palandia. 14 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 14. Kamunin ng mabitawan. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Foul number 11. Isanio, first personal. Number 1 on John on the free throw line. On the free throw line in 31 seconds to play. Second free throw on your John. Wala. Nakuha. Nag-iisa para sa rebound. Bigay ito Bautista. Over now to Priya. Dapat yan is Palandia. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Hinanaw mula po ito. Number 10.
Bruce! Bok!
Foul number 10.
Kita mo.
On sports spotlight ball. Free throw for the sports spotlight ball. Palandia, number 8. Another free throw. Pangalawang free throw, hindi na pumasok. And it's a ball possession for the Stallions. With 18 seconds to play. 15 seconds. Number 14. Okay, number 13, 3-point shot. Wala. 5 seconds. 4. Almost score. 3 seconds. 3 seconds remaining time. Priya maglalabas ng bola number 10. Sinong tatanggap?